Let's make a stir fry pork. As it looks, it's very delicious, mouth watering. Let's check how to make this. So I need some pork. I cut them to small pieces. Then I add some turmeric powder, black pepper, and some vinegar, and mix it well. Then take a pan, put this pork and add some water till just cover the pork. I'm going to cook this pork for at least 1 hour and add some salt as you wish. Then I take some red onion and slide. When you slide, just look at it. I need the ring slides, so like a ring. So because I'm going to have a stir fry here. And some tomato. Again, I'm sliding my tomato. And I'm getting some banana chili or capsicum, and I'm sliding that as well. Now take a pan and add some oil. I'm using coconut oil all the time. And I'm going to add my well cooked pork. I spend around 1 hour cooking this, and now take away the water, and I'm putting into a pan which is having some oil, and I'm frying it. This is a specific unique menu. Most of the Sri Lankans used to have this. Just fry for some time till get it the light brown color. Not the dark brown, it's just light brown color. Till you get the light brown color, just fry it. After just let's say 5 minutes or around 10 minutes, once it turns to the light brown, I'm adding my pieces of onion, tomato and capsicum and mixing. Keep the heat for a low medium. Keep it for lower and mix it well. Then add some soy sauce. And add some chili flakes. And again mix it well. stay spending around 5 minutes. Now my curry the stir fry pork is ready. So now I'm switching off my gas and take this. This is how it look like. As you see it, it's mouth-watering, as well as I'm guaranteed that it's having the best taste. So I'm going to taste some and check how my meals look. I'm already having few. So it's really tasty. I know definitely you will love this menu.